عريس.
اكيد. طيب اعطيني واحد اصغر واحد ولا شخص.
Wipe your nose.
في قلية بندورة يسموها لحم ناشف.
Zidu will eat lunch here.
ماما what do you want to eat؟
What's their menu?
واحد قلية بندورة مع لحمة. لحمة شقف. يسموها لحم. يسموها
لحم ناشف.
اللي هي بندورة.
بندورة ولحم.
Sing lang ABC. Do not shout.
والرز ما تنساش السليم.
ايوه صحن الرز
Down, Zidu, where are you climbing?
Mr. Samir, how are you?
Do not get the remote. Come here, come here.
الحمد لله رب العالمين، شو اخبارك؟ على دبي انا بوعدك.
Come here.
احكي معك.
What are you doing here, Zaid? Zaid? Sand. He's playing the sand. Zidu, it's not beach. It's for the plant. Wala amo. Zidu, remove the bar here. Call the policeman. Policeman. Zidu is so naughty. Let's eat. Come here. Jade is very hungry. We'll start from hummus, fattoush, salad, tomato pan, and mixed grill.
This is our rice.
Yes, a rice, yes, and mixed vegetables. And this boy is very hungry now. Do it, Zig. Zig, why are you looking at the window? Smaripis ka na. Oh, let's eat, let's eat. Hummus, oh, hummus.
Yeah, good. Your hummus is good.
Try it. Mama will taste the tomato pan.
It has bine. See the bine?
Yeah. Delicious. My rice is here, or maybe it's okay if not. Yummy. Arabic food is good. Yummy. This is how to eat the tomato pan with bread. Rice is here. Thank you. A rice? Baba, you already tried a rice. Yeah. Yummy. You're eating only bread? You have a lot of foods there. Oh, why only plate? Oh, why only the bread? It's just playing the bread, Baba. Guys, Zidu's favorite. Zidu took remove the bar, amo. Bunal Zidu, amo. That? Baba's bread? We still have these. Yeah, 118. Yeah, it's the same as the other restaurants.